Marhaba Hojam. In this video lecture we will discuss how to plot our data in a 2D and 3D dimension. First of all, we need to find a function, like we need to find the data which one we want to plot. So I will use a built-in function. There is a built-in function which is we can take I want to show you another trick. If you want help of any Octave, any help according to any function, just write help function and name of the function. It's a linear space function. So linear space is a built-in function which have the two variables, base, limit, and it is another one, base, limit, and endgame. So it will return a row vector with n linearly spaced elements between base and limit. So I will use this function to manipulate to plot data. So here I will define the linear space function and assign its value to x variable. Linear space, its base is equal to 0 and limit is equal to 2 cross pi and n value is equal to 500. So here I define my x variable. So now I will take sine and cosine of this linear space, right, and store the variables in y variable. Sine of x z is equal to cosine of y, cosine of y. So I don't need the output of these variables because I just want to plot the data, so I will insert semicolon at the end of the variable. So here is another function, hold on. What is the meaning of hold on? Hold on mean like plot new figure. Here I am inserting a like comments, plot new figure on the old one, like it will overlap. So here I will plot my data, like with it's a plot function. I need to find x, its variable y. These are like x column or the y columns where horizontal and vertical axes, and here I am because it will overlap, so I cannot define which is for the cosine and which one is for the, I cannot differentiate between if both of them are the same color, like which one is for the cosine and which one is for the sine. So here I will give the like plot sine with the green line or green color, or plot for z with blue color. So here I will run this code, and it will, like as you see, it defines the x and y. So here I cannot differentiate which one line is for the x, which is the input variable, which one is the output variable. So I need to define like labels, like what is the name of this figure, what is the name of the this is variables, what is the name of this variable, which one is a x line and which one is the y line. So for this thing I will like define like x label is equal to input label and semicolon, and y label is equal to output label, right, and semicolon, and the title of the graph is sine and cosine. Sine and cosine. Okay, and the legend, I will show you what is legend when I will plot the graph, and I will run this thing, because here you cannot understand what is it, and cosine. Okay, legend and semicolon. Okay, right. Now I will run again. Okay, as you can see, here is the title of the graph, here is the output variable, here is the input variable. So it is defined, it is giving an error for the legend, so I need to figure out what is the error. I think this semicolon is not correct. I need to run it again. Okay, again it gives an error. So here it gives an error again on the legend. I think this thing, oh sorry. Now I run it again. Okay, this is legend. Like it's like a small table, a small picture which is showing that which one is line for the cosine and which one is for the sine. Here it's our input variable, on x-axis, y-axis our is output variable, and this is our title of the function. Here is like our graph of the function. So it's all for this lecture. In this next lecture I will show you how to plot the graph, how to plot your data in the three dimensions. Okay, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.